Hi everyone, let's talk about Diplomat Discount. RMO 10-2019 reminds us about the application of Diplomat Discount. Please ensure po tayo ay magre-review ng RMO na to, scan the QR code above para pumunta sa file na yon. BIR reminds us na kailangan daw po nating mag-grant ng VAT exemption to foreign missions. Sino-sino pong mga to? Ito po yung mga diplomats natin, attaché, mga ambassador. Please ensure na babasahin natin yung file para malaman natin paano mag-identify ng mga taong ito. Once you're able to identify them, you may issue a diplomat discount. Sa system po ninyo, meron kayong diplomat button na lumalabas sa inyong discount windows. If we're going to apply that, pwede tayo mag-apply sa piling products lang kung kailangan man or sa total bill natin. Please consult with your accountant what is the best method for your operations. In any cases that you want to apply a discount on the total bill, dito lang po tayo sa discount window, select Diplomat, at kung kayo po ay nag-i-issue ng SI mula kay Butak POS, hihingin po ang detalye ng Diplomat para mailagay dito sa system. Let's enter their name. For example, that's John Smith, ID number nila sa card, at pwedeng ilagay ang PIN at address kung kailangan man. Confirm lang po natin yung discount, and from there, meron na po tayong VAT exemption. Lalabas na po yung VAT exemption natin dito, the supposed VAT, at yung total sales po nila ay na-record bilang zero-rated sales. Now, reminder again, once you're done calculating, charge po natin siya and ensure na tayo ay mag-i-issue ng resibo kung saan nakalagay lahat ng detalye na nilagay natin. Reminder na lang po para sa mga gagamit nito, please issue a VAT exemption for diplomats and other foreign missions, but ensure that you review RMO 10-2019 for diplomat ID details and other key information. Huling paalala na lang din po to please consult with your accountant how best you could apply this discount in your operations. And if you have any questions, please message us in our Facebook group chat. Happy selling!